आई टुक यू टू ए वॉयज, एक यात्रा पे ले गया मैं और उस पे आपको घुमाता रहा और आप फिजिकली तो यहां प्रेजेंट है, यू आर वेरी मच अटेंडिंग दिस वेबिनार, बट इमोशनली यू आर अटैच्ड टू सम इवेंट of your life which was pleasurable. Now this is what I have to say today to begin with. Always whenever you go to any class or session, take 5 deep breaths. Even when you sleep, before the beginning of sleep, when you lie down on the bed, just deep breathe to the full capacity and hold and breathe out for 5 times at least. You will see that there is drastic change in your energy level. You see, when we breathe in, our lungs expand. You know, the lungs, if you spread it, it is just equivalent to half of the tennis court. ठीक है, 22 feet by 21 feet. This much area it can cover. And there are, 90,000 kilometers you can stretch it if you make a thread of it, the lungs. And there are more than 87,000, volumes of breathe we take, and 20,000 times we breathe in and breathe out every day, at least 15 minutes per minute, 15 times we breathe. Almost 21,000 maybe times we breathe in, breathe out. See, our body has a lot of potential and capacity, but we always underestimate. It has a lot of potential, but we have to harness it. My topic is on that. That's why I'm saying you have to, your passion has to be concentrated, has to be focused, has to be present. You have to be present to harness your energy. What happens today is we are crowded by social media information. See, a person today gets that much information, even more than that, in one day, that in 15th century a man would have never had through a full life. That much information we are getting per day in our mobiles, social media. And the more the social media we are using, the more we are becoming isolated and we are going away from ourselves. And more we are going away from ourselves, isolated, more we try to crave for the social media. And also you see around us lot of advertisements. Man in the hunting age, he had 2 goals in life. One is to get security of safety of life. Another one is food, to eat and survive. So lot of honey he will drink to survive, or a lot of things he will eat, whatever is available. So because he doesn't know next time he will get food or not. And second is security, safety. He will kill anyone if it is threat to him. So there are 2 reasons. But man as now, it is a pinnacle of the development. We are now no more a stone age person. We have come to civilized situation and we are in the height of that civilization. But our thread is attached to that emotionally or hereditarily, to eat, craving for everything, whatever we want to get. Though we get everything everywhere, it is available, but craving never ends. And we look for things. We eat more sugar. We get, diabetes. We snatch people's goods. We want to, that is the security problem. So this way we are just restless. And our thought process is not stable. So this mindfulness will bring you back to this normal life. and you need to have sufficient space in the mind to gather new information. You are all students. तो आपने जो सीखना है उसके लिए जगह भी तो होनी चाहिए ना. सारा दिन सोशल मीडिया में लगे रहेंगे, दो इट इज वेरी गुड टेक्नोलॉजी if used properly and in systematic way. If blindly we use, and there is a capacity of gathering information in our mind, we can't go beyond that, and it will be a futile effort. Whatever you want to learn. अब बच्चे जो कहते हैं, the college students, I couldn't grasp, मैं फेल हो गया, I couldn't get through this examinations. Even highly professional college students can't pass the clerical exam. Why? Because there is no focus in life. We have to build focus in our life. Unless life is concentrated, focused on proper thoughts have to be properly managed. Time has to be managed. How you will do? अब लोग तो कहते हैं भाई ध्यान से पढ़ा करो. व्हाट इज ध्यान? हु विल टेल अस व्हाट इज ध्यान? हाउ आई विल रीड विद कंसंट्रेशन? यू नेवर टेल मी. अब सबको तो कहते हैं ध्यान दो भाई, ठीक ठाक पढ़ो, ठीक से पढ़ना है, याद करो. वो कैसे याद करें, किसको ठीक से पढ़ना कहते हैं और ध्यान क्या कहते हैं? नोबडी विल टेल यू. तो देन you must tell me how to focus, how to be attentive. Number 2, how to practice that so that I can practice. So I'll tell you these things. What I did is I took your mind to certain event and brought it back to this place. अब ऐसा ही होता है in the class when teacher is teaching. We are present, but we are mind is somewhere. In movie theater, maybe in the garden, maybe hanging with friends. तो जो माइंड जो है ना ये चंचल होता है, इसको कंट्रोल में रखना है. कैसे रखना है वो मैंने अभी आपको एक्सरसाइज जो कराई है, दैट इज द वे यू हैव टू डू. आवर कंसंट्रेशन इज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन वैल्यूज एज वेल एज माइंड. अच्छा, व्हाट इज वैल्यू? वैल्यू इज ए स्मॉल, यू कैन थिंक ए बॉल, ग्लोइंग बॉल, एक चमकता हुआ एक गेंद है. दैट इज द वैल्यू. एंड माइंड इज ए कैनवस विच हैज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन अस. दैट इज एंगर, हैप्पीनेस, sorrow, depression, all things are there. But if you glow anything, bring the values or your things to that particular area of mind, it will start glowing that, enlighten that. If you are bringing your mind to sad events, it will bring sadness. It will start glowing that and it will remain in your mind all the times, most of the time. तो मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, nutshell I will say is you have to control the mind. Very much you have to control the mind. How to control is through meditation and through pranayama. Pranayama was how to breathe in, hold, breathe out. You did just now. सिखाने की जरूरत नहीं, दोबारा से इसको करना है. Every day 15 minutes. Or do it 15 minutes for 4 days a week. You will see after 1 month the results will be astonishing. ये करके देखना. अब जब ये करते हैं तो अपना मन जो है एकाग्र रखना है, concentrated at one point, one thought. So it will not hang then. फिर आप जब सोचेंगे ना, ये प्रैक्टिस करके आएगा. आपने तो मन चंचल है और चलता रहेगा इधर उधर. क्या होता है, कई बार हम आंखें खुली होते हुए भी आवर आईज आर ओपन बट वी कांट सी द ऑब्जेक्ट बिकॉज वी आर लॉस्ट मेंटली समवेयर. यू इमेजिन इफ ए सोल्जर, अगर ये बंदूक लेके अगर एक सैनिक बैठा है बंकर में और उसको बीच में माइंड कहीं घर में चला जाता है तो उसका क्या हाल होगा? थिंक ऑफ ए पायलट फ्लाइंग ए एरोप्लेन and about to land. If he thinks of something else, that's why accidents take place. सो प्यारे दोस्तों, सबसे बड़ी बात जो मैं कहने जा रहा हूं वो है अपने माइंड को कंट्रोल रखना। कैसे रखना? ऑल इज देयर इन आवर एंशियंट विजडम। एंशियंट विजडम, मेडिटेट एवरी डे एंड देन यू शुड डू प्राणायामा, योगा. There are 5-6 things. I was just making note of something, remembering what we can do. Now, how can actions we take? Simplify your life. अपना जीवन बिल्कुल साधारण कीजिए. ये नहीं कि उठते जागते मोबाइल लिया, ठक क्या मैसेज आया. No. Then you will be slave to this. Use it for technical purposes. Number 2, concentrate. Concentrate means always keep your eyes closed and think of some chapter which you have already read just now. 2-3 बार करो और पेंसिल पेन से keep a note of it. Memory script. Small pen pencil I keep writing. पोस्टर आया न्यूज़पेपर में, I started writing on that. Keep memory script so that you reinforce your learning. है ना? ये इसी तरह आगे बढ़ेंगे. आगे बढ़ने का यही तरीका, कोई और शॉर्टकट नहीं है कि थिंकिंग मैं तो अच्छा. बी प्रेजेंट आल्सो. यू आर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स यू आर नॉट वरीड अबाउट टुमारोज पेपर. यू आर वरीड कि यार ये कल पेपर मैंने पास ना किया तो मैं वो फाइनल में नहीं जा पाऊंगा, प्रीलिम्स नहीं हुए तो. उसके चक्कर में आप सारा जीवन बेकार कर देते. आज का डोंट थिंक ऑफ पास्ट. रिमेंबर, नोट करो ये. Don't think of past, number 1. Don't think of future, number 2. Think and be in present. ये 3 याद रहेंगे. Don't think of past, don't think of future, be present. Think of today and now. What you are doing, be present and focused. बस यही चीज याद रख लो लाइफ में. ये आपको मैंने अमृत दे दिया आज जीवन का. और अगर पढ़ने लगो तो 25 घंटे पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. 20 घंटे लगातार पढ़ते रहे, रात दिन वो आंखें सूज गई. नो, यू हैव नो कैपेसिटी. यू नो यू हैव टू रिलैक्स. यू हैव टू ईट फूड, डाइट, रिलैक्सेशन, एक्सरसाइज. हाँ, यू आर to do all rituals of the day, but be present. Whatever you do, be present. आज अगर घर जाएंगे, अगर ब्रदर सिस्टर हस्बैंड वाइफ मम्मी पापा से बात कर रहे हैं तो वो बात पे ध्यान देना. ये नहीं कि बात उनसे कर रहे हैं, ध्यान कहीं और है और हो कुछ हो रहा है, बात कुछ और हो जाएगी. है ना? जब कोई बात करे, whenever somebody addresses you, you be full attentive. A class teachers or a teaching or professional gives you some tips. Be attentive, focused. वो कैसे होगा? वो मेडिटेशन जो सिखाया अभी उससे होगा और हो जाएगा. 15 दिन में हो जाएगा. लेकिन डेली 15 मिनट, हफ्ते में 4 दिन करो. यू विल बी मार्वलस, यू विल बी बेस्ट. अच्छा.